Want to keep your customers updated with ticket status emails without the hassle? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that. Keeping customers in the loop is crucial for maintaining satisfaction and reducing frustration, but it doesn't have to be time-consuming. Stay with me until the end to discover a free trial to streamline this process even more. The first thing you need to do is set up an automated system that triggers an email whenever a ticket status changes. This saves you from manually updating each customer and ensures that they get timely updates. Most modern ticketing systems have built-in automation features. You can use a tool like our software to easily configure this. Once your automation is set up, decide what triggers should send an email. For example, when a ticket is created, when it's being worked on, or when it's resolved. For each of these status changes, craft a clear and concise message that lets the customer know exactly where things stand. Make sure your emails include key details like the ticket number, the issue being addressed, and what the customer can expect next. This not only keeps your customer informed, but also reduces follow-up inquiries. Now, personalization is key. You want these emails to feel personal, not robotic. Include the customer's name, a specific description of their issue, and a tailored message for the stage their ticket is at. This small touch can make a big difference in customer satisfaction. Don't forget the subject line. A simple, clear subject like ticket update, ticket now 12345, status change, will make it easy for your customer to identify and prioritize the email. Another great tip is to include estimated timeframes in your status emails. Letting your customer know when they can expect their issue to be resolved builds trust and reduces any anxiety. And now here's the cool part. I've tested the most popular ticketing systems, and this software we're using today stands out. It's user-friendly, powerful, and has an exclusive free trial just for you, my viewers. You'll find the link in the description below if you want to follow along. Key takeaway: keeping customers updated with ticket status emails is all about setting up automation, personalizing your messages, and ensuring transparency. By doing this, you'll improve customer satisfaction and reduce frustration. To recap, here's what we covered. Set up automation for status updates. Include key details and personal touches in your emails. Keep the subject clear, and provide timeframes for resolution. And again, don't miss out on the exclusive free trial for our recommended software in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching, and take advantage of that free trial to make your process even easier.